Hi, everyone. I'm Rozana, and I'm excited to tell you about our 2 day training program on handling tough conversations at the workplace. Now, whether you're a manager, a team leader, or an individual contributor, this program is designed to help you navigate those challenging conversations with confidence and skill. So, what makes this program so valuable? Well, first, we focus on building self awareness. You will learn about your communication style and how to adapt it to different situations. We'll also dive into emotional intelligence, how to manage your emotions and understand others' perspectives, which is crucial for tough conversations. On top of that, we provide practical frameworks so you have a clear structure to follow in any conversation. And let's not forget the role plays. You'll get hands on practice in a safe and supportive environment so you're ready to handle real world challenges. But don't just take my word for it. Here's what some of our past participants have to say. It is so rewarding to hear how this program has made a real impact. Seeing our participants have those aha moments and gain the confidence to handle even the most difficult conversations is truly transformative. Now, if you're ready to take your communication skills to the next level, join us for this 2 day program. Whether you're dealing with conflicts, giving feedback, or just having tough conversations with your superiors, we've got you covered. Now, spaces are limited, so don't wait. Register today and start transforming the way you handle tough conversations. I can't wait to see you there. Take care.